Hey guys, I am back with another video, this time to unbox all new Oppo A5. Oppo's latest mid-rangers has gone official, and it is, after all, the Oppo A5, and not Ace. The Tinal listing gave us most of the details a few days ago, but now it's set in stone. Oppo A5 has been launched in China, after weeks of rumors and leaks. Bearing a notch and a dual camera setup on the back, the Oppo A5 has been already listed for pre-order and sales are set to begin on 13th of July. With a price tag of 1,500 Chinese yuans, it will likely compete with recently launched Nokia X6. Without wasting time, let us unbox this phone and let's see what is present inside the box. The box contains Oppo A5 itself, which comes packed within a regular paper box. Oppo is also throwing a free transparent silicone case for extra protection, too. The box also contains quick start guide and warranty information. Let's come to the smartphone. This is the Oppo A5. Oppo A5 comes in mirror blue and mirror pink color options, and has a metal finish frame. We have mirror pink color version of Oppo A5. Let's see what else we have got. Inside the box you will find a charger. A massive 4320 mAh battery is available on bar that is touted to deliver 14 hours of video playback or 11 hours of gaming on a single charge. The box also contains a microSD cable. The latest model by Oppo features an illusion texture back panel that has been designed using an N-scale microcrystal technology. Let me put all things aside and get back to the smartphone. Let's talk about the specification. Under the hood, there is a 1.8 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chipset coupled with Adreno 506 GPU and 4GB of RAM. We've already seen the Adreno 506 GPU perform on the Snapdragon 625. Of course, the highlight of this new chip is that it's built on a 14nm process, the first among the 4 series. Power draw when gaming will be reduced by up to 30%. Oppo A5 runs ColorOS 5.1 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. Oppo A5 weighs in at 168 grams. It is a costlier phone, but still, Oppo gives Snapdragon 450. The handset has a dual rear camera setup that includes a 13-megapixel primary sensor along with an f2.2 aperture and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor with an f2.4 aperture, supported by an LED flash. On the front, an 8-megapixel sensor is available with an f/2.2 aperture. The front sensor is powered by a list of AI Beautify features and capable of recognizing up to 296 facial features. Since it has an aperture of f2.2, so it will lack for better picture shots in low light or indoor with the rear camera. Oppo A5 features a 6.2-inch HD plus 720 by 1520 pixel full view display with a 19:9 aspect ratio and an 87.9% of screen to body ratio, which is a bit of a stretch for its resolution. Still, we saw no pixelization, and while the screen won't top any charts, it is quite enough for the class. The display panel is protected by a 2.5D curved glass panel. This it for now. If you like this video, do hit that like button. Get subscribed to our channel. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay wealthy. And finally, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.